going to set it up. We're going to actually make sure that we protect our investment and make sure we put the proper cover. So we are traveling. I don't want to scratch it. I want to put it in my luggage. I want to make sure I don't scratch this beautiful fine glass, and then the other one, especially the main one. All right. So, and this actually works even though if you have magnetic filters, it will work properly. So we're going to set them up and see how they work. And it comes in different phases. All right. They give you a couple of them too, so you don't have to worry about them. They give you 2 of them for each pair, and then also the cleaning material and stickers to remove any kind of mildew, dust that you have. So just make sure you clean it prior to setting it up, all right? And of course, they give you the wipes in there installed. So let's see what else is included. So this is like a squeegee to kind of scrape it down. And these are the stickers I was talking about. Here's a little cloth. And here's the sanitized wipes. These are like sanitized wipes, but they're alcohol wipes, all right? To repair the whole system. And of course, when you do that, you could just take them out and just make sure you also clean your hands too, because we do have oil. And this is for the actual camera. It's a little sticker. So we're going to put that inside. We're just going to use one. We're going to use one wipe for both. And then the squeegee. And we are going to clean it up. So let's go ahead and clean it up and set it up. So first clean it as much as you can first without any just remove anything that's dust. Clean it nice and clean. Like I said, it has plenty for 2 of them. Remove any particles you have. This is pretty good for anything. You can even use this for your phone too. And this one is actually a little thicker. You guys can see that. So we are going to start with this part right here. Start in the edges because the corners grab onto it. And then drop it when you think it's ready. And there it is. That was a perfect fit. We go back with the squeegee. But first, what I like to do is run it just a little bit like this. It was a perfect fit on that one. Now, this one, because we're talking just a little bit and there's dust particles, we're going to make sure it's clean. Run the next one, which is this one right here. Put it in there. Fit. Perfect fit. If you don't have steady hands or a place, and you can see some of it has to be pushed down just a little bit, and that's it. And I don't see any particles. That was a perfect fit in it, and reset up so we don't have to worry about our investment on our pocket. And this is very small, that's why. So very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.